Hello and welcome to Excalibur. In this video, we will see how we can use the COUNTIF function in Excel. What we see on the screen is a data range. Now in this data range, we have different entries and some of the entries are repeated. Now, if we want to see that what is the number of times one entry is in the data range, we can use the COUNTIF function. Let's see how this works. I'll select this cell and write equals to count if, open the bracket, then it asks me for a range. My range is this entire thing from B3 to B26. Then it asks me for a criteria. Let's say my criteria is Q. I have to find how many times this value of Q is repeated in this data range. And then I close the bracket and press the enter key. Then I see that it shows me that Q is 3 times in the list. Let's cross check this. Q is here. I'll highlight these cells. 1, 2, and 3. This way we can count the number of entries in the data range. Let's delete this. Another way to use the same function is if you click on this insert function button on the top. Once you do that, a window like this appears. Type count if and then press the go button. The select a function, we see the COUNTIF. We press OK. Then a function arguments window appears. It also asks us the same range and criteria. This window is helpful because we can also see the help if you're not sure what the function is all about. So to select a range, we click here and then again select the same range. Press enter key. Then to select the criteria, we click here and select Q again and then press enter key. And when you click on OK, you will see the same result. This way, the COUNTIF function can be used. For more videos like this, subscribe to my channel Excalibur. Thank you very much.